Are you looking for the best muffler for V6 truck? In this video, we will break down the top 7 mufflers for V6 trucks on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Flowmaster 953047 Super 40 Series Muffler. If you are looking for the best performance muffler for a V6, then this could be the ideal option for you. It comes with a larger case profile that gives you the best of both worlds. With this muffler, you are going to get both an aggressive deep sound and performance. The Super 40 gives a richer and deeper exhaust tone. In addition to that, the Super 40 also gives you the benefits of low to moderate interior resonance and performance thanks to the TOTALFLOW technology. It is made of 16-gauge aluminized steel and is fully MIG welded. This makes it more durable than the other options on the market, thus it's the perfect choice for high-performance V6 cars. The total weight of the muffler is around 4.54 kilograms and its dimensions are 54.6 into 27.3 into 15.2 centimeters. Just like most other mufflers, it has a black exterior. Another thing to note is that it also comes with a 1-year warranty to give you the confidence that this muffler is not only great sounding but also reliable. At number 2. TOTALFLOW Polished 542515409 Universal Muffler. Universal Single Chamber Race Street Muffler 2. 50 inches center in or 2.50 inches center out is constructed with durable, polished, 409 stainless steel, fully MIG welded for long life. Aggressive sound exterior exhaust tone, noticeable interior resonance. Universal muffler not a direct fit. This 2.5-inch muffler single-chamber design made from heavy-gauge metal and 100% MIG case welding for maximum durability. Product specs: muffler body shape, oval inlet position, center outlet position, center inlet diameter, 2.5-inch outlet diameter, 2.5-inch body length, 6.5 inches body width, 9.5 inches body height, 4 inches overall length, 12.5 inches material or finish, 409 stainless steel or polished fitment, universal sound level, loud or aggressive. At number 3. Flowmaster 9430452 Super 44 Series. Flowmaster has a dual output muffler. The component emits an aggressive growl that's sure to get you noticed, without being too loud for comfort. Flowmaster's patented TOTALFLOW technology offers a noticeable improvement in resonance, while simultaneously reducing back pressure in the system for improved power and performance. This technology is exactly the same as the system found in Flowmaster's larger mufflers, making for a compact but powerful upgrade option. Finally, it's also built to last, from 16-gauge aluminized steel using superior MIG welding. TOTALFLOW technology reduces back pressure and improves performance. Built to a high standard of quality, with aluminized steel and MIG welding. At number 4. Borla 400286 ProXS Muffler Metallic. Borla 400286 Turbo Muffler is one of the best mufflers for V6 Mustangs. This turbo muffler can give a fairly noticeable deep sound to your old V6 Mustang. This turbo muffler features an S-shaped design that improves the airflow. The higher airflow maximizes the performance of your vehicle. So if you want an upgrade that can improve the horsepower too, then Borla budget-friendly muffler will satisfy your needs. You would also feel delighted to know that this high-quality muffler is capable of delivering great sound. So whether your vehicle is at idle or at higher RPM speed, this muffler never fails. Constructed with durable stainless steel, this muffler is durable and rust-resistant. The streamlined oval shape of this muffler makes your riding experience quieter than the stock muffler. And at open throttle, this muffler is slightly louder and never disturbs your driving comfort. At number 5. MagnaFlow Exhaust 10416. This muffler enhances not only the overall performance of your truck but also its outward appearance and style. With a MagnaFlow deep signature sound, this muffler is best for off-road use. The product is also durable due to its construction, which features high-quality stainless steel. One of the greatest things about this muffler is it improves speed performance and is compatible with a wide variety of trucks. It is also long-lasting, reliable, and comes with a lifetime warranty. Additionally, the muffler looks great on your truck. Its sleek and modern shape enhances the look of your vehicle. One problem in particular is that it is on the loud side and may be a bit overbearing. Also, it may eat away at your fuel as it lacks efficiency. At number 6. Cherry Bomb 7426 Extreme Muffler. This extreme muffler, a piece that maximizes the noise your V8 engine makes. Designed for loudness, because it has a short body with no baffles, the sound it produces will resonate all around. This gets even better with the small wing, concentrating the pressure and sound even better, increasing its decibels. Improved airflow, with its short body and straight-through design, it ensures excellent airflow inside. This will provide a slight improvement in performance. It also prevents vibrations that often affect how smoothly the sound goes out of the exhaust. This paint does not only help with appearance, but it also adds up to its corrosion resistance. At number 7. Thrush 17658 Welded Muffler. These mufflers are 100% welded for durability and are also designed with an aluminized cover to make them resistant against corrosion. Thrush welded mufflers come with a classic Thrush logo embossed on the cover of the muffler. The Thrush welded muffler will produce a deep performance tone under acceleration, which is quiet and pleasant when cruising at lower RPMs. For added style, these mufflers come with a classic Thrush logo embossed on the cover of the muffler. As the name of the muffler implies, they are 100% welded for durability and are also designed with an aluminized cover to make them resistant against corrosion. These mufflers have a two-chamber design that delivers a deep aggressive tone, the perfect choice for a Mustang. They have a high-temperature polished metallic finish and a non-reversible directional flow and are available in a 19-inch overall length. The product dimensions are 20 x 10 x 5 in and weigh around 9 pounds.